So now, today we need to discuss about the third chapter, django templates and static files. Sir, is this demo? Hmm. Online guys, audio video is clear. Django templates and static files. Sir, up to now, whatever we have written the code in the views.py, it is not pure complete Python code. The Python code can be mixed with the HTML code. Python code means you have to write either function or class variables, those things. That within Python code, we are always mixing with the HTML code. Now, I have to divide this code here in the views.py. Completely I have to write on from now onwards Python code only. I don't want to write any HTML, all the things. I have to separate that HTML code right into one file abc.html. Here you have to write whatever you know the HTML codes, h1 tag, or if you go with anchor tag, if you go with list, whatever, all you can provide it into your HTML file. By using this view function, up to now I return some value. Now I have to return that abc dot HTML file. Then this file will be sent to the end user as a response, not the values. So as a Python developer, my role is I have to do only Python code. This HTML will be done by the UI designers. The UI designer will be created all HTML file they can provide it. We have to write all the functionalities backend logic by using the Python code being a Python developer. That in case of full stack developer, any role they can give, either designer or Python or database, everything. So that's why now I have to separate HTML file and Python file. Then we can go with this. These templates files are there. So first one, it is not recommended to write HTML code inside Python script. It is not recommended to write the HTML code inside Python script, that is views.py file, because it reduces readability, because Python code mixed with HTML code. If it is a pure Python code, I can understand. Because Python code can be mixed with the HTML code. So if a pure Python developer who don't know the HTML, they're not able to understand that code. No separation of roles. As a Python developer has to concentrate on both Python code and HTML code. And one more thing, it does not promote reusability of the code. Because if any HTML file is there, any number of times I can reuse. If I can use this HTML with Python, not able to reuse. We can overcome these problems by separating the HTML code into a separate HTML file. This HTML file is nothing but template file. From the Python file views.py, we can use these templates based on our requirement. Where we can declare these templates, project level, app level. And where we can create project app. Hmm? We have to define these files in project level. The reason is a particular project contain multiple apps. Same HTML can be used into multiple. That's why we have to write templates at project level only. We can use these templates in multiple applications. అది స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ టెంప్లేట్స్. So now I will write a small Python program just to concentrate on this Python program. What is the purpose of this program? You will get clarity next once I started the templates. So what about this Python program? This Python program plays very, very important role into your settings. Okay. This is pure Python code. Come to this one. Already you know all everyone Python programs, everything. You are all the Python professionals already. Yes or no? Na? Hi, the Python professional word. We are all professionals, man. Because of you are my students. So pathlib is the one module available there. Okay, don't write. Just listen this program. Concentrate. Okay, I will give time later on. Pathlib is a one module inside path P capital. It is a class name. So already you know what is module, what is class. Explanation not required. Pathlib is the module. Path is the one class. What is the purpose of this module means? It provides multiple classes, but I have one class is that path class. It is finding your file system path. And generally within our system D drive, E drive, F drive, in that folder files are available there. Asal which operating system you are using? Suppose I am using Windows. One person using Linux, one person using Mac, another using different OS. Today my program copied and given to the Linux. My program folder is available mana in my machine, na machine. The project is available D drive. Even this PC lo D drive lo django 14th November it is there. In your machine, as D drive is not there. Only C drive is there in your machine. I copied my program and run program in your machine. Is it executed? Not. My paths are all D folder, D folder, D folder. You have only C path is there. So the main purpose of this path lib module is it will give the system path. First see the program, then I will give the theoretical part. Okay. Now from module name path lib import the class name. What is the class name? Path. Sir, I want to print this one already, you know, in our regular classes, I'm using this one underscore file. One magic variable is available there. Underscore file ani. At the time of modules, I'm telling file underscore name underscore doc underscore annotations. These are all the magic variables. Name underscore doc underscore dict. Uses ఇవన్నీ regular Python లో. Yes. What is the meaning of underscore file? It will display your file name. What is our file name? Test.py. So your explanation not required. It is one magic variable which will be displayed your file name. Yeah. What is the file name? Test.py. ఇప్పుడు this file name I am given as an argument to path class constructor. Yeah, not a constructor. Constructor name is only underscore init is the constructor. If any variable before after two underscores are there, magic variables. If parenthesis is there, magic methods. In Python, there are so many magic methods are there. Add, magic method, and subtraction, magic method, multiplication, magic method. This one also magic method, but this name they can give it a special name constructor. This one is also magic method, but this name is destructor. So within Python, any method two underscores parenthesis magic method. Without parenthesis magic variables, not a constructor. Remember, these are all the magic variables. This total thing with parenthesis is there magic methods. In this magic method, these two having special name. One is constructor, one is destructor. So now this is the variable. This variable I am passing argument to class path class underscore file. Path is a one class. Class with parenthesis means object dot created. I am asking f path. So what is the type? Type of f path we are asking means the file is available there. Which windows ante which operating system you are using, that path it will be displayed. Windows or Linux or Mac. I am using Windows operating system. I am getting Windows path. So Windows path is the class, pathlib is the module. If you are using Linux, execute same command, it will give the Linux path. If anybody using Mac, path will be changes. I'm using Windows operating system, that's what given as a path. Now, f path will provided one variable f path. For that, one function I can provided there. What is the function name? Resolve. SOLV, resolve. It will give complete path of the file. So, sir, f path is pointing to path of file. File is the variable which is provided with current file. My current file is test.py. అంటే ఈ ఫైల్ అండర్స్కోర్ ఫైల్ which program it is available there, that file path will be identified, stored into this. In this variable, if I'm using resolve, it will be displayed the total path. Print of complete underscore path. The total path it will be displayed. The Mahesh classes test.py. So the first one returns the name of the file test.py. Second one type, it will return which path you are using, Windows path. In that I am applying resolve function, it should be displayed total path directory and everything will be displayed. Now, sir, what is this one? Just variable. This is the variable. This variable pointing to which one? F path dot resolve. What is f path? This one. Ante, can I use it directly this one? F path dot resolve. A complete path, this one both are same, not same? Both are same, because చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా, left side is the variable pointing to f path dot resolve. What is f path? Remove this. ఇదే కదా. Can I paste it? Yeah. Instead of complete path, ఇదిగోండి, ఇది both are same, not same? Same కదా. ఇందాక 1 by 1 వేరియబుల్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్, ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ ఐఎమ్ పాసింగ్ ద వాల్యూ. బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ ఓన్లీ, నో ప్రాబ్లం, బట్ అండర్స్టాండబుల్ పర్పస్. Path class I am passing this f path. I am given one more step. Yeah, resolve this total thing pointing to d mahesh classes test.py. ఇప్పుడు దీనికి I want to give a attribute that is parent. What is the meaning? Means path is the class, current file, total path, d mahesh classes test.py. ఈ కరెంట్ ఫైల్కి వాట్ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్? డి మహేష్ క్లాసెస్ విల్ బి డిస్ప్లేడ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద పేరెంట్. సేవ్, రన్. ఇప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ అప్ టు హియర్ ఓన్లీ. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ టెస్ట్కి పేరెంట్ డైరెక్టరీ మహేష్ క్లాసెస్, ఇట్ విల్ బి డిస్ప్లేడ్. ఇదిగోండి, మహేష్ క్లాసెస్కి హూ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్? D drive. How to get that one? Again, you can use one more time. What can you use? Parent. Appudu what is happened? Total path. Okay. D Mahesh classes test. First parent Mahesh classes. Second parent. What it is? D drive will be displayed. What is your current working main directory? It will be displayed. D Mahesh classes, this one path. So now this is the program. See the output. Observe what is happened there. ఇక్కడ main only 7 and 8 lines. Okay, This path is the class provided current file name. Resolve function will you the current file test.file wherever is the total path will be displayed. D Mahesh classes test. In that I am using parent is the one attribute. It will be displayed D Mahesh classes. Again I am asking parent, then it will goes to D drive. Simple ga, if I open command prompt anywhere, this is the command prompt. Present where I am, see Windows System 32. I want to go to one step back. And System 32 what is the parent? Windows. Windows what is the parent? C. I want to go one step back. What is the command? CD dot dot is going to one step back. Again CD dot dot. Then one step back. Yes or no? Same process also. Now also I am doing same thing. First I am taking total path. దీనికి who is the parent? This is the parent. దీనికి again who is the parent and parent? Who is the parent? D. అసలు why I am telling all this nonsense story means in the Python Django within your settings one line will be there. See this line. What is the meaning of this line? Path, file, dot resolve, dot parent, dot parent. So many people who are completed Django, whenever asking this line means, simple sir, this total line of path will be stored into base dir. Katam. So what is path, what is file, what is you don't know. Sir, this value, whatever value written, the written value will be stored into base. What is that written value? They don't know. Base dir we are using. So ఇదిగోండి ఈ లైన్ కి now whatever written line both are same, not same, both are same. That's why hard coded values we are not using system path always. So how to use? I will tell. For this line, single line purpose, I am telling that much story. Underscore file. Tell what is the current file? Settings.py. Akkada what is my file? Test.py. Now see the carefully. Settings.py. That is the total path. Read the path. D Django Mahesh project settings. Resolve means one time I'm using parent and it will goes to one step back. Mahesh project. Again parent one step back and it is going to my main project folder name. What is the main project folder name? Mahesh projects. It will be goes to there. Adi asal exact meaning of that line idugondi. First settings.py. Okay, one step back and it will goes to this folder. Again parent ante this folder. So now this Mahesh project is pointing to which one? Base dir. అందుకోసం that line they are provided. అది దాని story, path story. Where we are using, I will tell. First to take this code. Path lib module provides various classes representing file system paths based on different operating system. This is the code you can take. Then that line can be easy to understandable. What is path, what is underscore file, what is the resolve parent. Everyone getting the program concept? So path is predefined class, one magic variable, one function, parent is the variable, attribute, property, all are same. So in morning who are attending NumPy classes today, I am given some 20 questions. One more 20 I will give. In that you can go through that one. Pakka next written test in that only they will ask. On your regular classes in Python, whatever I forwarded questions na multiple choice questions. Those you can go through that one. The main advantage of this approach is we are not required to hardcode the system specific path locations in Python script. That is the approach we have to follow. Instead of writing direct path D drive, C drive, E drive, not recommended one. Sir, there are two design patterns architectures are there, MVC and MVT. Django follows which architecture? MVT, model, view and template. What about this MVC design pattern or architecture means .NET some other applications follows this architecture. In MVT, M meant for model databases, but here M is meant for model only, but we have to write here business logic coding. V meant for view, nothing but in MVC architecture view meant for presentation layer. బట్ మనకి వ్యూ మెంట్ ఫర్ బిజినెస్ లాజిక్, అది డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎంవిసికి ఎంవిటీకి. వ్యూ మెంట్ ఫర్ presentation logic we have to write. C, coordination controller. MVC, model view controller. But our architecture is MVT design pattern. M meant for model. Upcoming we will discuss. We discussed started view business logic. We have to write nothing but Python files. T, just now we introduced templates, presentation layer. That is the difference of MVC key, MVT key. Model view controller, model view template. I have to write a small program by using the template. Up to next day I'm sending HTTP responses. Now I don't want to post NumPy questions in your Telegram. Whatever steps to develop template based app. Sir, first project after I will give one by one steps. Next onwards, direct I will write all the code and everything. Okay. First one, create project. You know already. నాకు కనబడట్లేదా? First one, create the project. Project app settings. All three are common. Okay. See, every day, whatever I am doing, same thing. బాటిల్ సమస్య బాగుంది మీకు. మా వాడు తెచ్చేవాడు చిన్న బాటిల్ తెస్తాడా పెద్ద బాటిల్ తెస్తాడు ఏంటో. ఇదిగోండి. ఓకే. నౌ హియర్ first I will create these steps already you know. Okay. D drive cd django 14th November django hyphen admin start project template project created cd template project py manage.py start app test app. And ఇవన్నీ మీకు తెలిసిన స్టెప్స్ ఎవ్రీ డే వాట్ ఎవర్ యూఆర్ డూయింగ్. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ క్రియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్, సెకండ్ స్టెప్ క్రియేషన్ ఆఫ్ యాప్, second one done, third one add application in settings. Up to here common activities. You're not doing anything. Okay. What will be the content of exam? Our django class. Just django they never ask. They can ask about the python numpy pandas. Prajwal, can you send numpy questions? Yeah, today I will upload numpy questions in the telegram. NumPy and Python multiple choice questions also I will upload. Just to go through that one. So first three steps are common. Okay. Fourth one. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, they never ask. You don't worry about that. Only Python. Practice Python, NumPy, Bus, Django. All these are never asked in the nareshit screen case. They never ask. If you go to outside interview, definitely they will ask about REST API, MongoDB, Django. So now go to your atom. Close all the things. Previous project. We close this. Now template project is going last. It is there. Expand. First one, go to the settings, add. Go to installed apps, add app. What is the app name? Test app. Done. So what is the first thing is create one folder, sir. Create a folder with the name of templates. Folder inside main project folder. Sir, can I give folder name any name or templates? Any name you can give, but not meaningful. Templates it anyone can understand. In that folder, all HTML files are available there. Understandable purpose only. These are all because folder name any name, file name any name, anything you can use, but meaningful. Tomorrow anyone can understand. So where you can create this template folder? Main project. The reason is if I'm telling these many times, tomorrow students will be created. You have to tell template project two folders are there. First one, second one. Can I create templates in first one or second one? First one. I'm telling these many times na. Tomorrow still the students are created in second one. So don't create second one because of this is project related settings are there. So general how to create folder like that only. Right click on first folder. Whatever you were created na by using django-admin in that right click and enter the new folder. Normal process. What is the folder name? Templates. Now see this one. Once you write the practicing programs, practice cheyarankondi, no question. Okay. By mistake, if you are doing practicing, first folder, తర్వాత compulsory these three are available, then only you can continue the writing program. If these three folders are not there, don't write program, waste. If you write the program, not executed. Because whenever project created, two folders will be there. What about those? Template, test app. This is created by manually. I am created. So django don't know about this one. Django knows about template. Django knows about test. Django knows about manage. Template Django don't know because you are created. Tomorrow in your project you created 100 folders. Django knows about all those? Don't know. Django only knows about two, template and test app. I want to aware about to the Django about this file. Okay. So first step that is create a templates folder inside main project folder. In that folder, next in that templates folder, create a separate folder named with your app. What is my app? Yeah, test app. So take care about that. What is your app? Suppose you are given any another app names, give that name only. Because a project contain multiple apps. That application related HTML files only available this folder. That's why test app to hold that particular application specific templates. అది fourth one. So first one, sir, create folder. Already folder I created. Inside folder you have to create one folder with the name of test app. The folder is not there. Come to here, okay? And check this carefully. Folder second one. Inside nothing. Right click. Same. New folder. What is the folder name? Test app. Now check this. Inside test app is there. Same Go to outside. Outside also you can check it here also. This PC 14th November 7:30 template project templates. Inside what is there? Test app. You can no files. Next I will create all HTML files. Write all your code. Whatever you know HTML code, that code you have to write. That is the fourth step. Now fifth step is django don't know about your folder. We have to know. Whenever I'm created test app, django don't know how I convey to that by adding install apps. If your not installed apps is there, then django don't run your program. Django don't know about your app. Once you remove this, run your server, run the URL. It does not recognize this. Because of if installed apps are there, then only it is same like that. You have to convey, Babu, this template folder is created by me. You can consider this is one folder. Inside this one is there. Inside HTML files are there. What to do? Now step 5. Add templates folder to settings.py file so that my Django can aware of our templates. That is the fifth one. How to add. How to add, where we can add means see this. So where this templates folder is there, see this architecture. Here templates is there. Templates is the path. Copy. Just to see this. Is it our path or no? D drive, project folder, template project. Intent, what is the file name? Templates. Yeah. Cut this. Go to settings. Soon, first నుంచి settings లో installed apps, middleware, somewhere else templates are available there. In templates, one thing is there, what it is, dir. అంటే what is your directory name? Here, within this, you can give this one. Then django will take care about your file. D Django 14 November 7:30 p.m. template project and templates. Like that we have to give. So here ఇందులో all these are not required. All these are not required because already everything should be there. Bus. That is the fifth step. Templates low inside dirs you have to give your path. This is the way of providing the path. But it is not recommended one. The reason is, what is the reason? Just now I'm telling no. D drive django folder. Your project folder is different. Your drive is different. Your project name is different. If a copy pasted in your machine, the program not executed. That is the problem. That's why I will tell how to take the system path. Actually, in my machine it will run, no problem. Tomorrow, if I copy this program into any another system, it won't executed. It is not recommended to hard code system specific location in settings.py file. To overcome this problem, we can generate templates directory path. programmatically as how to generate that path. So wherever templates folder is there, that path I want to generate. So if I give the path system bar, it will also executed but not recommended. I want to generate that path systematic programmatically. Okay, how means come to your settings file, go to the starting. Now read this line number 16. This line will tell everything. Path is the one class underscore underscore file. What is the current file? Settings. So dot resolve. Ante this total thing, this path file resolve function will pointing to your settings file. 1 minute. Where is that settings? Is on the settings. Okay. This is the path. This path file resolve function pointing to which file? Settings, current file path. Inside I'm using parent. Settings, who is the parent? Template, pointing to this. Again one more parent. For this, what is the parent? Template project. So this template project is pointing to where? Base dir. So what is the meaning of within program? This base underscore dir means your main project folder name path. Where is your templates? Is it available under a main project folder or no? It's available. So can I use base dir slash templates? Is it okay or no? This one give one variable template underscore dir variable. What is the meaning of base dir? Main project folder, it will goes to this one slash templates ante దాని అర్థం ఏంటి? It is pointing to your folder only templates. This total thing pointing to where? Template here. This variable you can mention into here. Don't write hard coded values. It is not recommended one. This is the correct approach. Now whenever I'm asking dir template dir, what is this template dir? Okay, it will goes to this variable. What it is? Base dir. What is the base dir? Pointing to this one. So it will goes to main project. Next it will come to which one? Templates folder. That's why I'm telling that program. This is the meaning of this line and variables. Sir, what if the difference between the two template projects, one inside another? Main one is created by project. It is one main project folder. Inside with the name same project folder, inside project related settings, ASGA, WSGA, URLs files are available there. First one empty folder. Inside multiple folder. With the project folder, multiple files are there. Ajay, starting already I'm given this architecture. So you have to create template dir variable. This is approach. Base dir equal to, so this line already available settings. Just you have to give base dir slash templates. Then your project is pointing to there. This value you can give to the templates file. The story. Specify this. It is a variable. Template underscore dir variable inside settings.py. Ante where? In the dirs. In this dirs, don't give system path, just give template dir. అది స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ టెంప్లెట్కి. So if you want to use the system path, it is working. Templates folder created by manually. I want to convey to the django. My templates folder is available. This base dir. What is this base dir means? When current file settings.py total path parent and parent. So directly I am given that variable to this one. Everyone getting clarity? What is the template dir? The next project, every time simple, you can create base dir slash templates, create variable, that variable provide to dirs. Now sixth one, create html file. Inside our project name, template project, templates, inside test app folder. This html file is nothing but one template. My file name, any name you can give, extension is html. Simple ga I am telling to the django the templates folder is available under template project. Any variable you can give, no name, no problem. Whatever name you are given, that name you can provide. Dhanush, any sir ikkada not only template dir, ikkada if I am given x, you can give x variable. Okay, that is the how to specify the path. So now which.html file you have to create. So simple ga now come to here. In this templates test app, no files. Okay, right click, new file, any name you can give. My file name wish.html. Go to inside previous ga, there is no files. Open test app and file created, not created. How to write html code, you know. What is the starting tag? html. Next one idigondi, just to type two letters html, click on enter, it will give total architecture. First document type html, head, meta, title, head, body, these things you know. Just I'm writing one h1 tag. Okay, h1 tag. Welcome to django template demo. What is the h1 you know already. In case html explanation not required for you. Okay, second h2 heading 2, the second hero of django in mvt. What it is? Templates. In this code, any explanation is required? Not required. That is I am telling. If you know HTML, now all HTML file I am writing, send through views.py. So this code you can write to HTML file. It doc type, gig type not required. You know, just only body code enough. Body h1 h2, that is bus. Because architecture same kada every file ki, only body code enough. That's why I'm giving that 2 lines. ఇప్పుడు this HTML will be forwarded by who is forwarded? Views. As they were written something. Now you written which.html file. Your job done. So you is the responsible to send this file. VS Code also same. PyCharm everywhere same process. who are using VS Code Bhavani, process is the same only. Main you can concentrate logics Python files. Whatever file you can provided, same. Seventh step. Define function based view. Or slowly start the practicing. First time everyone getting confusion. While starting practicing, you will get it. ఒక ఫంక్షన్ డిఫైన్ చేయండి. ఈ ఫైల్ని రిటర్న్ చేయండి అంతే. రిటర్న్ స్టేట్మెంట్ నథింగ్. Completed. Just I created HTML file, write the code. Go to the views. Come to views. Views lo you know function. Def is the keyword. Def is the keyword. Function name is wish. What is the first argument? Request. I want to provide that. What is the keyword? Return. But I'm not written values kada HTML file kabatti. There is one special function will be there. Render is the function. From django dot it will come ఎక్కడ ఓ ఆల్రెడీ ఉందిగా సారీ ఇంకోటి ఉంది ఆల్రెడీ సారీ ఇదిగోండి దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఓకే రిటర్న్ ఇదిగోండి రెండర్ ఇస్ ద ప్రీ డిఫైన్ ఫంక్షన్ అది ఇఫ్ వాల్యూ స్ట్రింగ్ అయితే యూ కెన్ రిటర్న్ http రెస్పాన్స్ బట్ ఐఎమ్ రిటర్నింగ్ HTML file. First argument request we are getting from the end user. Where is our HTML file? Which.html file, where it is available? Test, yeah. Because until templates, Django knows about the structure. After that, give folder name, slash kada, slash. What is the file name? Completed code. Return render is the function which is responsible to send which.html file test app. How Django about knows means because of this settings template dir you provided. What is your dir? This one. What is this template dir? It is looking to this value. Go to there, execute. దీనికి ఒక URL is required. Go to project URLs. The common story. Any URL, my URL is test. Function name is views.wish. Wish. How to that? From test app. ఇదంతా కామన్. PO import. Start the server. Py manage.py. Run server. Server address. Copy this. What is the URL pattern? Test. Welcome to Django template demo. Second hero of that Django and MVT is templates. So only things, simple things are one which HTML views code function return value, nothing is there. You want to see the view code 4 and 5. In this code, any explanation is required here? Nothing. Def is the keyword function. Request given by end user argument. One is the keyword. Render is the by default function in the Django module. So I am getting request. I am sending HTML file. Same process. Complete different process. Step 8. So tomorrow also same activities we are doing, sir. First time covered is some little bit confusion will be there. Tomorrow rounds every day same. Templates, test app, HTML file, send through the views. but the URL pattern are not required, just urls.py. This is the URL. So template ready, function ready, URL ready. Start server, send request. Render is the function. By default function render, which is responsible to send the HTML pages. If any values are HTTP responses, return statement is enough. Syed. It is not my function. Observe. One import statement I am missing. That render is the function which is available to the Django module. In shortcuts, render is the function. If you direct return, it does not return. So render function is responsible to send the HTML pages to end user. Why I am not using this means already it is by default available. That's why I am not provided. Okay. Start the server, send the request. This is the server request. Adi story. Getting clarity? Thoda thoda. Thoda thoda. కొంచెం కొంచెం. Little bit. और कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. कुछ नहीं. छोड़ दो. Sir, first day kada, okay, no problem. Daily you need to start the practice. Thoda thoda. Yeah. That shouldn't every day what I'm doing same activities. First project, next application added. The new thing is I created a folder. Django don't know about this folder templates and test app. We have to convey to that one. General system path is the Django folder templates. It is not recommended one. That's why starting I'm telling this Python program. How to generate the system path. Already within settings, this line is available there. Current path available base dir file. From base dir, come to templates. I'm telling to template dir file. From there, next test app is there. I created one HTML file. For this, one function I defined. For that, one URL started server. This is the URL there. Sir, I want to provide some colors. A red color or some color. What to do? Go to, and a present not CSS file, not required. Internal with page, what can I go with? Style we can provided. First tag, H1 tag. I can go with color. I am given red. Refresh. Is it came? Came. If I want to go to the H2, I go with color. I want to give which color? Blue. Refresh. Came, not came. Yeah. So like that we can provide that. Next levels are CSS files, so images. One website of it is there. You need to take any website, book my show site like that. Images, gimmicks. Next level, I will tell all these things. All the images I will provide. I will tell all the images in the headings. Once click on, go to that. Everyone will come slowly. Kangwa, Amaran, Mechanic, Rocky, Lucky Bhaskar. Challenge. First up to here, you can practice. Tomorrow we will continue.